Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Charger GT all-wheel drive. Stock number E1426P. 36,000 miles on this Charger. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report and granite pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Charger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating with backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And heated front seats. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owners. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Charger, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.